Hello my lovely YouTubers, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. So in today's recipe I'm gonna show you this protein bagels. They are so perfectly freshly home baked and they look like just bought from store. So let's get started with the recipe. So here I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour and half cup of wheat flour, and then into that I'm gonna add salt to taste. I have added half teaspoon and then half tablespoon of sugar, and I'm gonna quickly give them a stir just to mix the salt and flour and sugar nicely distributed evenly. And then into that I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and now you want to mix it again, whisk properly so that way it's nicely mixed. And now I'm using this 1 cup of Greek yogurt. So you can use regular yogurt, but Greek yogurt has a good amount of protein, so that's why I'm using this Greek yogurt here. And you can also add other flavoring to this at this stage. Whatever seasoning you like to add extra, you can add into the flour, or if you want to add more fiber and protein, you can also add by adding some protein powder, or you can add some pumpkin seed powder. That way you have more protein, or flaxseed powder, whatever you prefer you can add it. Here I'm just mixing it with the spoon just to until everything comes together just like this. And now I'm going to knead a dough. So first few minutes of kneading you will feel like it's not gonna work out, it's too dry, but trust me, keep on kneading. Because of Greek yogurt so thick, it will take time for it to melt down and be nicely combined with the flour. So just keep kneading. If you feel like it's too dry, add a little bit of Greek yogurt. But after kneading it, it's ready. Look at this. We need like soft dough like this, and it won't take long time. And now I'm just gonna take it out on this chopping board and knead it just like about a minute, not much, just until it's nice and smooth. That's it. You don't need to knead so much. So it's ready. I'm just gonna gently press down and cut this into 4 equal portions, so this will make 4 bagels. And now we're gonna just roll it like this with 2 hands, like a long rope or cylinder shape. And then you're just gonna join the ends like this, though that way you have a bagel shape or circle. And look at this. And because of the dough is soft, it's gonna stick together very well, the ends. So this is similar way I'm gonna prepare all my bagels, and super easy to make. And just like that, in few minutes all of my bagels are ready. Now you can egg wash it. I'm gonna use milk, so that way I can stick my seasoning to it and it gets nice color. So just gonna apply it on all my bagels. And I love this everything but bagel sesame seasoning blending. This is from Trader Joe's. Try, if you have not tried, please try. I love this brand especially. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top of the bagels just like this. You can pick if you want to make plain, or just sesame seeds, or just poppy seed, whatever, garlic, cheese, whatever flavor you prefer. So all my bagels are ready to go into the oven, and I'm gonna bake them at 360 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. All ovens are different, so keep eye on them, but the standard time is about 350 360 for 30 minutes. So now here we go, and I'll be back in 30 minutes. Look at this. Bagels are ready. Just look at them. And just came out super duper hot. I can't even touch it, but I just want to show you the bottom. and I have to let them cool down completely, and then I want to show you uh, from inside as well. So I'm gonna cut one open for you guys, but they're still super hot. I have to let them cool down, but they look so good. Let me show you quickly all of them. They risen very well and look so great, and my house is smelling so good from this baking. So they're still not cooled down completely, but I cannot wait. So I just wanna, it's still hard to touch them, it's still hot, so I'm just gonna give it a cut and show you from inside because I cannot wait. Look at them, perfect, very perfect from inside as well. So use for breakfast with cream cheese, or just make your lunch. I use patty, quinoa patty, and made it a burger with bagel. It was super duper yummy. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks again.